Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download and install the PERA Colorado. So let's get started. So to install the Colorado app, you should must have a Google Play Store or Google search bar if you are an Android user. If you are an Apple user, in your phone you should open your Google App Store. So at here go to Google Play and you can directly search for the app Colorado PERA app. So here we can see Colorado PERA. Okay, so here we can see it's for Android. You can search it. So we can say it Colorado PERA app, okay, or org. So from here you can download the app in your device like this. Just click on here, and from here you can install it, and it's very easy. If you have any question, you can let me know in the comment section, and if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.